Hello folks. Well, as many of you know, I've been waiting for parts to complete this vintage Raptor 30 that I got on eBay. As many of you know, it came missing many parts which I had to search for many hours to find, some coming from Australia, Hong Kong, the United Kingdom, and some of my subscribers like Chasing Waves and Ace Rider 2005. I had to make a few new push rods and other things that were missing, so I sure hope I got it all right. To be fair, the fellow I got it from on eBay said he was selling it for a friend who did not tell him about the missing parts, so he graciously returned $100. It cost me more than that to get the parts that I found missing as I continued to build, but at least I got it all done and hopefully right, as the radio, gyro, servos, etc. are all new and untested. Well, the Thunder Tiger engine was really running terrible and it was leaking fuel all from around the head. So I disassembled it and found the head gasket was actually missing. So I had to order one of those too. Also, in order to attach the clutch and fan tight, I always remove the back plate and insert a screwdriver in the crankshaft to keep the piston from moving, as it's safer on the piston than putting something in the glow plug hole to keep the engine from turning while I tighten it. Well, finally, these elevator arms, pitch arms came, and they have bearings in them. I have pitch arms, but I don't have any bearings. These came with bearings. So, everything looks pretty good here. If this is not enough pitch to fly inverted or do anything, I'm going to put a bigger wheel on here. Okay, throttle's all set up. I put it in throttle hold. That keeps it throttle locked, and my pitch continues to work, so that's how you do your maneuvers. Yeah. Well, folks, that was the first flight, and I think it went pretty good even with me flying the drone at the same time. It needs some aileron adjusting and the gyro too, but even the blades were in track, so I'm pretty impressed. I know you wanted to see some 3D, but as with all my machines, cars too, I never drive them as fast as I can on the first time out. You know, I want to make sure they don't quit or blow up, and I want to check everything, make sure it's still tight before I do that. But next time, I'm going to lean it out, and I'm going to try some 3D and inverted flight. So thanks a lot for watching, and please stay tuned for that. And you know you need to subscribe, and you'll get them notice. See you next time, and thank you.